What if everything you've been told about money is wrong? What if the financial advice you've been following is actually keeping you from achieving true wealth and freedom? What if the traditional path of going to school, getting a job, and saving a little bit every month isn't the best way to build real wealth? What if there's a different approach that could lead to financial independence much faster? Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat things. The reality is harsh, and the system is designed to keep you in a cycle of debt and dependency. The truth is, most people are living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and have no idea how to build a secure financial future. They are constantly stressed about money, and it affects every aspect of their lives. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are strategies and principles that can help you break free from this cycle and start building real wealth. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 hard-hitting truths about money that they don't teach you in school. These truths will challenge everything you thought you knew about personal finance. These are the secrets that the wealthy understand and use to their advantage, but the rest of us are kept in the dark about. The rich have access to knowledge and opportunities that most people don't even know exist. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on money and the tools you need to start making it work for you, not against you. You'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Are you ready to break free from the matrix and finally achieve financial freedom? Let's get started. Your journey to financial independence begins now. Let's be brutally honest, okay? The education system has a dirty little secret that no one likes to talk about. School does a great job of teaching you how to be an employee. From a young age, you're conditioned to follow instructions, meet deadlines, and work within a system. You learn history, you learn science, maybe even a little bit of Shakespeare. These subjects are important, no doubt. But when it comes to something as crucial as managing your money, crickets. The silence is deafening. Think about it. Did you ever take a class on budgeting, investing, or understanding how taxes actually work? Probably not. These essential life skills are glaringly absent from most curriculums. And that's not an accident. The system is designed to keep you financially illiterate, trapped in a cycle of working for someone else's dream. It's a well-oiled machine that benefits from your lack of financial knowledge. But here's the good news. You don't need their permission to become financially intelligent. You have the power to break free from this cycle. There are countless resources available. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels, like this one. The information is out there, waiting for you to take advantage of it. You have the power to educate yourself and take control of your financial destiny. It's all about taking that first step and committing to your own financial education. Don't wait for someone to hand you the keys to financial freedom. The door is already open. You just need to walk through it. Take charge of your education, because knowledge, especially when it comes to money, truly is power. Empower yourself today for a better tomorrow. Let's talk about the D word, debt. It's a word that makes people sweat, feel ashamed, and avoid opening their credit card statements. But here's the thing. Debt itself isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool. Think of it like a hammer. You can use a hammer to build a beautiful house, or you can use it to smash your thumb. The difference is all in how you use it. The same goes for debt. Used wisely, it can help you leverage your investments, buy a property, or start a business. But get careless, and debt can bury you alive. High-interest credit card debt, payday loans, these are the financial quicksand that can trap you in a cycle of endless payments. The key is to understand how different types of debt work, their interest rates, and how to use them strategically to build wealth, not destroy it. Compound interest. It's a term that might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite simple and incredibly powerful. It's been called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. The concept is so profound that it can transform your financial future. It's the closest thing to magic you'll find in the world of finance. Imagine having your money work for you, growing on its own. In simple terms, compound interest is earning interest on your interest. This means your initial investment grows, and the interest it earns also starts to earn interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. This is exactly how compound interest works with your money. That's compound interest in action. The longer your money rolls, the more it grows, just like that snowball. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to snowball, growing exponentially over time. This is why starting early is crucial. Let me give you an example to illustrate this point more clearly. Let's say you invest $100 every month, starting at age 25, and you earn an average annual return of 7%. This might seem modest, but the results are astonishing. By the time you retire at 65, you'll have over $230,000. That's the magic of compound interest working over 40 years. Now, let's say you wait until you're 35 to start investing the same amount. The difference is significant. You'll end up with just over $100,000 at retirement. That's less than half of what you would have if you started 10 years earlier. That's the power of starting early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, and the greater your financial future will be. Let's face it, money is emotional. We attach all sorts of beliefs and feelings to it, often subconscious ones that we're not even aware of. Maybe you grew up believing that money is the root of all evil, or that rich people are greedy. These beliefs, whether you realize it or not, can sabotage your financial success. If you have a scarcity mindset, believing there's never enough money to go around, you'll constantly be operating from a place of fear and lack. On the other hand, if you cultivate an abundance mindset, believing that there's always enough to go around, you'll be more open to opportunities and attract more wealth into your life. Your thoughts become your reality. So, start paying attention to your money mindset. Are your beliefs empowering you or holding you back? Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that basket, you're in trouble. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Think of it like having multiple safety nets. If one fails, you've got others to catch you. There are countless ways to create additional income streams. You could start a side hustle, invest in real estate, or build an online business. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities. The key is to identify your skills, passions, and interests, and find creative ways to monetize them. Remember, the more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. So, there you have it, the 5 brutal truths about money. that they don't teach you in school. Now that you know the truth, what will you do about it? Will you continue down the same path, hoping for a different outcome? Or will you take control of your financial destiny? The choice is yours. If you're ready to break free from the system and take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button now. Join the Richer Broke community for more no-fluff, actionable wealth strategies every week. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Until next time, take care.